Ever asked yourself, how does an air fryer work? Well, in this video, I will explain to you how it does. Air fryers are amazing kitchen appliances that help cook, fry, bake, and grill foods in minutes. They've become a trend lately. This is because air fryer require little to no oil to make foods, presenting you with healthy meals. You probably own one at this point, or you intend to buy one soon. But you are wondering, how does this piece of amazing gadget work? It's quite simple. Air fryers use hot air circulation to cook food. The conventional way will be to submerge the food in oil. Lots of oil for best results. The air fryer cooking compartment circulates heat, which is in form of hot air, from elements near the food compartment. A fan inside the cooking compartment circulates the heat around the food. It has been proven to be a more efficient way of cooking food evenly, and in a considerably short period too. Now that you know what an air fryer is and how it works, I'm sure you also like to know if meals made from this fantastic piece of kitchen gadget are healthy for consumption. The answer to that isn't far-fetched. Absolutely yes, they are. Air-fried foods are noted to be healthier than deep-fried foods. Air-fried foods are lower in fat, calories, and some harmful compounds found in deep-fried meals. So food made in air fryer are healthier compared to deep-fried foods. So, should you buy an air fryer? Is it really worth it? If you've been following from the beginning, you probably have the answer to these questions, but I won't assume you do have the answer. Before we go any further, please subscribe to this channel. Also click on the notification bell. That way you get notified when new content is released. Now, back to answering our question. Yes, owning an air fryer is definitely worth it. Here are a few reasons why air fryers are worth every dime spent on them. 1. Cooking with an air fryer reduces excess oil in meals. According to research, the consumption of chemically degraded oil is associated with harmful health issues such as increased blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, various cancers, and many others. 2. It improves body health. But of course, as explained in the first point, reducing or eliminating oils from meals completely saves you tons of health challenges, leaving your body healthy and sound. 3. It cooks way faster than conventional ovens. Looking for something which can get meals ready incredibly fast? Then get an air fryer. 4. It is much easier to clean. Air fryers basket are dishwasher safe. You can simply toss them in a dishwasher or wipe them clean with a damp clean napkin, and then you are set for the next meal. 5. It can be used to make hundreds of recipes. There are a lot of meals you can prepare using an air fryer. If you can fry it, if you can bake it, if you can grill it, then you can air fry it. 6. It requires less stress to make meals using an air fryer compared to other methods of cooking. What's more, you don't get oil flying all over the place, making your kitchen messy. And that's it for this video. I believe I've been able to knock down your questions about air fryers, what air fryers are, and hopefully I have also convinced you of reasons why you should get an air fryer. Let me know your thoughts on owning an air fryer in the comment section below. I respond to all comments. Please give me a thumbs up on this video. I will appreciate it very much. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way you don't get to miss out on future content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.